These two guys have been going at it all day. The flower horn against the blood parrot. This ostrich is blocking my view. Wants all the attention. Let's see if I can get it to highlight.